Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today, I'm excited to share a cozy and gut-friendly drink recipe, Tahini Hot Chocolate. This delicious treat contains our Koso and a blend of cacao and tahini, making it both indulgent and nutritious. Let's get started. Cacao is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoid, which helps reduce inflammation and protects against free radical damage. It's known to improve heart health by promoting better blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Cacao is also rich in magnesium, which supports muscle function and relaxation. Additionally, it stimulates the release of endorphin and serotonin, often improving mood and boosting mental well-being. Incorporating cacao into your diet can provide a natural, healthy energy boost while supporting both physical and mental health. Tahini, made from ground sesame seed, is a nutrient-rich spread that offers numerous health benefits. It's packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which contribute to bone health. It contains significant amount of protein and fiber, helping with digestion and maintaining energy levels. Also, tahini is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Koso is a Japanese fermented beverage made from over 100 kinds of whole foods, offering a rich source of probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics that support gut health. It helps balance the gut microbiome, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Postbiotics and arts also aid in reducing inflammation and enhancing the body immune response. It supports overall health by balancing the gut health, making it a beneficial addition for those looking to improve digestion, metabolism, and brain function. This creamy tahini hot chocolate is so easy to make. You only need 5 ingredients: 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of Koso original, 1 tablespoon of cacao, 1 tablespoon tahini, pinch of salt. So easy to make. Just add all the ingredients except Koso to a small saucepan over medium heat. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Whisk everything together to eliminate any clumps and ensure a smooth, creamy texture. Once the mixture starts to bubble, reduce the heat and stir gently until it reaches your desired temperature. After removing the pan from heat, let the mixture cool slightly. Now we are going to add Koso. Adding Koso once the drink is warm, not too hot, helps preserve more nutrients that helps support your gut health. Pour your tahini hot chocolate into a mug, sit back, and enjoy. The rich flavor of cacao and tahini blend perfectly, while Koso add a sweetness and gut-boosting benefit. This is a simple, delicious way to care for both your taste bud and your gut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and health tips.